Let's dive right into Phase 1, installation space.
Okay, so we kind of need to treat the physical environment where this PBX lives almost like a clean room. The parameters are strict, but they're simple. The operating temperature absolutely must remain between 0 and 40 degrees Celsius, and you've got to keep the humidity capped at 90%. But beyond just climate control, you've got to keep the area completely clean of all sundries. And by that, I mean clearing the environment of random clutter, cardboard boxes, and dust. The PBX literally needs to breathe to allow for proper heat dissipation. And for sure, you must avoid areas that are prone to vibration, excessive dust, or any risk whatsoever of water and oil contact. A clean space is a reliable space.
Now, what's really fascinating about this is the why behind these location rules. Because it's not just about keeping a tidy room, you know? It's about invisible threats. You have to avoid placing the ONI IP-PBX anywhere near radio or cell phone antennas, electric welding machines, or frankly, any high-frequency machinery. Why? Well, because these devices introduce absolutely devastating high-frequency electromagnetic interference. If you put your PBX next to a welding machine, you're essentially just asking for dropped calls, garbled audio, and a completely unstable network.